Sa 2014 satirical comedy drama na ito sina Angelica Panganiban, Angeline Quinto at Asunta De Rossi. Kids, camera, action!
Action! Come back to the young and beautiful you. Ano raw? Cut! Come back to the young and beautiful you. Come back, di ba? Come back to the young and beautiful you. Isa pa! Isa pa, Derek? Action! Come back to the young and beautiful you. Come back to the young and beautiful you. Ganun dapat. Beautiful. 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 Ano ba pa kung pretty? Piloso pa. Come back to the young and pretty you. Funny ka, no? Kaya po, turna sa dating ikaw. Uy, mas catchy. Catchy? Anong ibig sabihin ng catchy? Mas catchy. Okay, one more. Come back to the young and beautiful you. Cut!
And cut! Ang galing naman nito. Acting na acting talaga.
Grabe.
Anong pelikula yan? 3, 2, 1, action! Kim and MC.
Here Comes the Bride. Momsi, panawarin mo ako. Mali.
Here Comes the Bride is wrong. Still.
Alam ko, best friend mo
Tara ng Teddy.
Beauty in a Bottle.
Beauty in a Bottle.
Ang sosyal naman, kala mo, Paramount Pictures ang nag-produce ng pagkakasabi niyo.
Ganda naman.
Beauty in a...
Beauty in the Bottle.
Andyan si Doc Vicky, yun yung role ni Kulot.
Kala mo Disney movie. Anong title ulit?
Beauty in a Bottle.
Sorry.
Beauty in a Bottle.
Ano
Yun
gusto
talaga.
nyo? Yung version niya o yung version ko?
Ano yung version mo, Teddy?
Beauty in the Battle.
Ayan, mas mura yung entrance niya.
Yun. Beauty in the Battle.
Para 150 lang doon kay Para 600 kay kay Darin.
Oo, Beauty in a Bottle is correct. Ang galing naman.